Well, finally have the PTU connector in. Wish I would have thought about it a little bit earlier. Just got the air compressor up in there, blew it out, and I see little rock come out, just poof, like magic. And I'm like, oh heck yeah! Slid my hand back up in there, boop, just connected, sweet. Just I'm like, yes. Did the OBD2 reader thing. It now has connectivity to it. I just need to put the drive shaft back on, get some of the rear bolts connecting to the rear end, and get back. And I think I only have to replace the CV axle here in the front left, because getting ready to take it out, I didn't knock out the punch and stripped the heck out of the outer screws. Silly me. Oh well.